Hey there, Matt here, and I wanted to take you through and show you our large 3.0. So the large 3.0, it's exactly the same price as a large 2.0, but we've massively redesigned the entire trailer. There's massive benefits for you, right? So I'll give you a little bit of a tour. I'll start from the outside and work around. So first, probably the biggest thing, we've changed this to a platinum core insulation panel. The large 2.0 it's actually galvanized steel, and so it's essentially only a few millimeters thick, whereas this is 30 mil thick, and it's actually an insulated panel. We've been able to replace a lot of steel parts with aluminium. For example, on the outside of the large 2.0, this trim here would be steel, but we've replaced it with aluminium. It means no corrosion, just much better wearing, easier to clean, and so on and so forth, right? As far as the trailer goes, same 15-inch wheels we use all the time. Your drop-down jacks that will drop down to support the trailer, okay? They just literally drop straight down. They're also obviously part of the standard thing. I'll keep going around and show you some other bits and pieces. The front, this trailer, it has a GVM, so a total capacity, including the trailer, of 1,500 kilos. The trailer itself comes in just over a ton, okay? Your handbrake here, so when you're driving around and you want to get out, you can just simply use handbrake or your safety chains, of course. The handbrake and the braking system operates off the back of your car, so you don't need electric brakes or anything like this. This trailer electric brakes only happen on a trailer over 2 ton, right? This is under 2 ton, okay? Front window, it's slightly different. We had people ask for, is it possible for the front window to open? So we set it up so it could. Once again, aluminium trims, 30 mil panel, nice and easy, like basically it'll just shut nice and easy like that. And much better design, right? And for the same price, which makes it even better, okay? Just spinning around this side quickly, okay? You've got your water inlet here, so when you're filling up your freshwater tanks, the tanks are optional extra, okay, but basically everyone takes them so they comply. And then you've got your range hood exhaust vents here as well, right? Coming around here, you can just see it here, you've got your big valve valve, so when you're releasing out your grey water, and then basically everything comes out. So I'll come around, jump inside the actual trailer and show you inside, okay? So First and foremost, very similar fit out. Very similar fit out to the large 2.0. You've got your 270 litre fridge right here, okay? Then over and above that as well, cabinetry. For example, if you want to fit this out with a coffee machine you can put right here if you wanted to, no problems at all. The doors open up and close easily. Range hood, probably one of the biggest benefits in the way the large 2.0 is designed. It can't really handle gas work, right? And it can't really handle gas work, and it can't really handle it's just the way it's designed, because you can't put a firewall in there, and it's like technically you can do it, but it's not going to be 100% legal. We wanted to make sure that everything we do is 100% accurate, 100% legal, so when you're out working on site, you're not going to have any issues, right? Anyway, so here you can put a gas griddle if you want to, okay? A gas deep fryer would stick out a fair way and sit up a lot higher. I'd highly recommend going to an XL 2.0 if you really want to do gas work stuff. But if it comes to the crunch, you can put a gas griddle, you can put a gas cooktop in here. We've got this drop down bench and there's a gap in between. This particular client didn't want to sit anything on this bench. So if you had appliances, we probably wouldn't have this section in here, and we'd actually have the appliance sitting here and lift it up so you can actually, like for example, a griddle, that way you could clean underneath. Or if you said, hey, I want to have my coffee machine here, you can have it here. The downside is the new design range hood that we had to work with, it is like, I'm 6'4", bear in mind, right? It's sort of in the area, so most people will lean underneath that. Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't, right? Window nice and easy. Lock's pretty simple. You just basically turn that lock, it locks it, okay? It's nice and easy, opens up. So good cross flow ventilation, which is what we really want. Maybe jump inside the trailer and you can come past this way and I can show you a couple of things on the other side. So spin around that way, you see all the fire extinguisher and the fire blanket, that's all standard stuff, right? Everything we do, the final electrical fit off haven't been done on this trailer. It's literally just come through, so it's built ready to show you, okay? You got your circuit breakers, earth leakage, everything here, okay? Basically what happens is when the trailer's done, we get an independent electrician come through and sign it off, right? So when the independent electrician comes through and signs it off, basically what that means is they go through, wire up the trailer, sign everything off, everything's got double pole power points, everything's done 100%, right? And then they literally put a little sticker here and then they test and tag everything as they go. Normal cupboards, this one here we've upgraded so it's got a few extra sliding cupboards. So a really, really great Tracy GST. You've got your hot and cold water system here, right? We guarantee council compliance. It doesn't matter where you are, we'll guarantee compliance. Now there is some occasions that council ask for 4 sinks. We pretty much know where they are. That becomes, of course the rules are always changing. We'll fix that and do that at our expense, no problems at all, right? So if you want to do something more about this, drop us an email, office@foodtrailerking.com.au. Alternatively, go ahead, give us a call on our 1300 number, or you can fill in the form at foodtrailerking.com.au/step3, right? I can give you a call, run through exactly what you want, any bits and pieces you might want added, food warmers, cold displays, coffee machines, grinders, whatever. And then we'll get you sorted. Looking forward to helping you with the new large 3.0. Massive, massive, massive benefits over the large 2.0. Becomes the only logical choice.